I woke up to the news this morning that ChatGPT 5 was released. So ChatGPT 5, the new model, it's an embodiment of the reasoning and the normal models in one, and it decides how much it should think on its own when you're using it in ChatGPT. So from what I've seen, I've probably listened to about 2.5 hours of stuff already this morning. Yes, that was at 1.5 speed or 1.7. I don't have 2 hours to dedicate to just listening to ChatGPT podcasts in one morning. But from their demos, it looks really good at reasoning, creative writing, and coding. Made some really good UI, saw some good demos that seem to excel at compared to normal thing it was doing. There's a mini, a nano, the high reasoning and the normal, and it looks like from what I read, the normal models within ChatGPT, so 03, 04, 01, they're all going to be deprecated. What that means is they'll disappear and you'll only be able to use ChatGPT 5 in the UI. And then you can switch between the normal and then I think high reasoning or thinking model. You can make it think more by saying think more. It will then decide if it needs to do that based on the task and what you're telling it. So it's a lot more flexible and a lot easier to use because you don't have to keep swapping models depending on what you're doing. I've got some stuff that I was working on last night that I'll start again and test it on GPT-5 because it seems to be better. So I'll see how the output is. They did in their demo in the live stream, someone made an app to teach their partner French because they were French. And what they did was they launched 3 or 4 different examples in different tabs because it's so fast and cheap effectively. Launch those different demos and then decide which one to keep based on what you like and then iterate from it. So interesting take on that, but that's the news on ChatGPT 5 for today.